And then my mother had the expression of BAC and AAC, before air conditioning and after air conditioning. I mean, life in the South Bronx, in our little community, everyone knew everyone else. The windows were always open. The mothers and the grandmothers was hanging out those windows, calling down to the kids to come up for dinner, or do this. My little Irish girlfriend's dad was always in the bar, and the mom would call, go around the corner and bang and get your dad. And I always wondered what was going on in the bar around the corner. And the bridge tables were on the street in the summer. The ladies were playing canasta or mahjong or poker. You know, everybody was outside, and everybody knew it, and you knew everybody's business. You knew who was getting along and who wasn't. You heard arguments, right? And then, as my mother explains it, AAs, after air conditioning, you don't know your neighbors, you don't know what's going on, you don't have the block parties, the outdoor activities, you know, so something changed.